Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a middle of the week Wednesday look at your national forecast. Still have a cold front carving a path impacting areas of the northeast United States. We had record amounts of snow for cities like Indianapolis, Rockford, Illinois yesterday, and now we're going to be watching for some heavy snow near the Great Lakes and near the Canadian border. Ahead of that, we're still warming up in the 60s to near 70. Cities like Washington, D.C. topping out near 67. Be mindful of a risk of severe weather today as well. Lining up ahead of that cold front, we have a marginal to slight risk. If you're in that dark green or yellow shade, cities like New York City, Norfolk, Washington, D.C., Hartford, Connecticut, some damaging winds could line up ahead of that cold front. Large hail damaging winds will be possible as well. Behind the cold front, we got a widespread freeze waking up this morning. Some of you may be waking up to some fresh snowpack. Well, we got widespread freeze. Hopefully you protected those crops before you fell asleep last night. Hard freeze warning in the Panhandle in the purple shade, dark blue. Freeze warning for cities like St. Louis, and it wouldn't be an April day without a freeze warning next to a red flag warning. Some fire and ice elevated to critical wildfire threats in the Carolinas and areas of the Four Corner states for the day today. For additional snow, we're watching for more significant accumulations. More records could be broken. East of Lake Erie, east of Lake Ontario, good 2 to 6 inches of snow possible today. Over half a foot in high elevations in northern Vermont. And near the Canadian border, some of those snow favorable areas west of Caribou, anywhere from 8 inches to a 1.5 feet of snow locally is definitely possible today through much of the day tomorrow. So stay weather aware. Moderate to heavy snowfall and high snowfall rates will be possible. And we could pack on some snow on roadways out there, so drive safely if you do have to travel. Snow should linger well into the day tomorrow. Looking at some more numbers, more frost and freezing temperatures return for many of us tonight.